Hey Cargill, what's going on? My name is Aiden Resendiz here, coming to you over at Audi Fall River. Today showing you this absolutely gorgeous Audi Q7 on this absolutely gorgeous day in February. So stay tuned, let me show you around. Alrighty Cargill, follow me as I show you around this gorgeous Q7. First thing you're going to notice coming around the front of the vehicle is, as always, your super aggressive front end from Audi. Those chrome 4 rings on the vehicle. You got the black optics package out front, giving you a little bit of contrast from the white metallic exterior paint color. Of course, LEDs built into the front of the vehicle. You do have some front sensors on this vehicle, as well as an overhead camera view system. And as we move on to the side of the vehicle here, of course, you're going to notice these elegant body lines just flowing through the vehicle. Got these big 20-inch beautiful wheels sitting on all season tires. Nice thick rubber on there so you don't feel anything on the road. Of course, LEDs for your turn signals built right into the mirror here. Do have blind spot monitoring on these vehicles. Another part of the black optics package is this blacked out trim coming on the side, as well as all around your windows. You do have the gloss black mirrors there as well. Keyless entry on all 4 doors. Gas tank is on the opposite side of the vehicle. You're going to want to put premium fuel in these bad boys. Moving around the back, of course, you are going to see these updated LED taillights, the chrome badging in the rear with the black accents from the black optics package as well. Of course, you're going to have a tow package come standard in the Premium Plus here. Let me pop this trunk up for you. Power tailgate, of course, as you would expect in a $68,000 SUV. Trunk liner protector here. You do have a 3rd row in your Q7. It is power adjustable, so you just push the button down here, folds right down for you, nice and easy. You will also have these buttons on the inside of the doors for your rear passengers as well if you needed to fold them up there, but plenty of trunk space with the 3rd row folded down. And even with it back up, you are going to notice you'd actually have a decent amount of trunk space with it up as well. Moving along the side here, let me open up the rear so you can see this 2nd row of the vehicle. Wow. Plenty of space in this rear seating here. Of course, you're going to have fully adjustable climate control, some vents in the rear as well, some foot level vents. These seats are fully adjustable forward, backwards if you needed to utilize any more space in the rear or the 3rd row. And they actually do recline as well if you're going on a long trip. Beautiful, beautiful panoramic sunroof back here as well for when I'm sitting back here looking up at the stars. And you got some vents on the door panel as well, some hooks for if you are carrying any luggage in the back, and then LED tap lights all around the inside here. Anyways, Cargill, I'm going to walk back around and hop in the front of this vehicle for you so I can show you around the front. All right, Cargill, look at this beautiful interior as I'm sitting in here, super comfortable. Let me show you a few features walking around. Unfortunately, the vehicle is in what's called transport mode for when it comes off the truck. So you may notice the check engine light on. That's completely normal how it is. Just got to run through the shop just to clear that right out there. It's only there just for the protection of the vehicle itself when it's down at the port, so that the people aren't flying them around the lot down there. So it limits the RPMs, it limits the speed limit, and that's why you might see the check engine light. So don't be afraid, that's all it is here. But anyways, as I'm showing you around here, first thing that you're going to want to see is seat position memory. You do have seat, mirror, and steering wheel position memory for this vehicle. Power folding heated mirrors, all automatic LED headlights, tail lights with a poor weather lighting system for really snowy or foggy conditions. Of course, genuine leather wrap steering wheel. You do have lane keep assist in this vehicle, adaptive cruise control, and a fully adjustable virtual cockpit, so you do have the ability to shorten or make your speedometer, tachometer smaller. You can pull up your whole navigation system right in the screen here. If only it wasn't in transport mode, you'd be able to see that. Also the ability to pull up your phone, any of your radio stations. If there's anything wrong with the vehicle, it'll let you know here. You're seeing the transport mode there, and just some vehicle data. So fully customizable, fully transformable. Your asterisk button here can be set to whatever function that you'd like it to do. Most people set it to their heated steering wheel, which will come standard in a Premium Plus here as well. Automatic windshield wipers. and this fully updated infotainment system. Now your main infotainment screen here is going to have all of your apps built in, your phone, your navigation, your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all of your vehicle settings. Everything's going to be right into this main screen here. Down below you're going to have your climate control adjustable functions, all your heated seats, air conditioning, heat settings. You have the ability to save some shortcuts down in here. You can set home addresses, favorite radio stations, garage door opener, automatic start-stop system. It's all built right into this main infotainment system here. Then you have, of course, your drive select. You have all of your safety features. One of my favorite features about this vehicle is just being able to pull up your parking camera inside the vehicle. And you say, well, every car can do that. Yeah, I know that. But this one, you can see your overhead camera view right from the top, and this gorgeous wide angle front camera view, which I was explaining outside. If you're pulling into an intersection where you cannot see oncoming traffic, this is absolutely fantastic. And also for anybody who might be a little bit not so great about parallel parking and curbing your wheels, you have the ability to pull up your front tires and your rear tires from the camera view system in here, as well as all the other ones as well. You can pull them all up individually. So I absolutely love that about this vehicle. Now, just looking around, you're going to see this contrasting dash. It is a black interior, but you have the gloss black wood inlays, the gloss black just interior trim broken up with these aluminum or these chrome pieces, Quattro badging, and then in your vents as well, the white stitching, leather seats. It's super comfortable, super elegant, simplistic, not too jumping at you, but it's very sleek, very elegant. And of course you do have a 3D Bang & Olufsen sound system, which will blow any of its competitors out of the water. And then up top, I got a couple buttons to show you here as well. Of course, frameless automatic dimming rear view mirror, LED tap lights up front as well. You do have emergency SOS button for police, ambulance, fire department, roadside assistance, and your panoramic sunroof and your sunroof control to open up the front half of the roof here. Alrighty, Car Gal, thanks for joining me here today, taking a look at this beautiful Q5. If you have any other questions or concerns, anything at all, please feel free to reach out to me directly at 774-322-1975. That is my personal cell, so you can call me, text me there. Also, you can call the store directly at 508-678-5555. But yeah, I hope this gave you a little bit more insight on what this vehicle is all about. Please feel free to reach out anytime. I hope you have the ability to make it in here and actually take this vehicle for a drive, because absolutely fantastic ride as well on the road. But anyways, otherwise, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for stopping by.